Believe. Believe in yourself. Has divorce descended upon you? Is your confidence shaken? Do you believe in yourself? Hi, I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm a downriver divorce lawyer. My offices are located in Woodhaven and in Wyandotte. I've defended downriver since 1986. That is, I've helped many good people just like you. I've helped them to regain their confidence. I've helped them to believe in themselves. I want you to believe in yourself as well. When divorce descends upon you, it is always an extremely difficult and traumatic situation. You hadn't planned to get divorced. You hadn't expected divorce to occur. Your confidence is shaken. You don't believe in yourself. This, in fact, is quite normal. I understand. You will overcome this. You will overcome this by the passage of time. You will overcome this by understanding that all is not lost. You do have rights. Those rights must be protected. Those rights must be defended. Your confidence will return. You will believe in yourself. I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm a downriver divorce lawyer. I want to help you. I want to defend you. I believe in you. I want you to believe in yourself. Please call me at 734-775-6656. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.